following part, I'm going to talk about a query. After you have organized your data into one or more tables, you can manipulate the data in many ways. You can create a query to search your database for records that contains particular data. A query contains criteria that specify what you would like to find. You can also use a query to display data for only selected fields. The query wizard offers a quick way to create a simple queries or use them to locate data. Now, let's learn how to create a query. Go to the Create tab. Go to the Queries group. Let's click Query Wizard button. Click. And let's choose the first one, Simple Query Wizard, and click OK. Then you have to select the table to be queried. Since we only have one table, so let's leave the way it is. Then click any fields you would like to put into the query. For this example, I'm going to click class title, click the arrow button so that you can import this field. And let's choose credit and choose the online field. So for this query, I'm going to display only 3 fields. Then click the next button. Would you like to a detail or summary query? Yes, let's choose the first one, detailed. Click next. What title do you want for your query? In this query, I focus on the credit. So let's change to class credit. Open the query to view information and click finish. So on the left panel in the queries group, you will find a new query called class credit, and you will see another open window called class credit. See, it only shows you the class title, credit, and the online field. To further refine a research, you can specify query criteria. So how could we do that? Let me show you. You need to go to the query, right click, and go to the design view. In this example, instead of a query that returns all the records, I want to see only those records for credits greater than 2. So I need to add query criteria. So let's go to the credit field. Go to this row, criteria. So under the credits, I'm going to input type greater than 2. Then click the run button. So go up. You will see the result group on the query tools design tab, right? So click run. Records that match the criteria are displayed in the query's result window. See, it only shows the course which their credits are greater than 2. You can always go back, switch between 2 windows to modify your criteria. Easy. Go to the View tab, go to the Design view. See, you can modify your criteria over here. Click back so you can jump to the query window.